Today, we, the students of Ryan International School, Goregaon, have gathered to honor the sacrifices that paved the way for the freedom that many generations have cherished.
Our freedom fighter, blood, sweat, and tears are the foundation of our free nation that we live in today.
As we remember the brave souls, let each of us pledge to uphold the values of truth, non-violence, and service to the nation.
Come, let's take a look at the celebration of 79th Independence Day in our school.
Happy Independence Day. What is Independence all celebration of this Independence Day?
So today, as we are celebrating our 79th Independence Day, I'd like to firstly tell all the students here that in 2047, when we really stand up as a superpower, you're going to be the superheroes here. You are the ones who are going to hold the prime positions in India that time. You'll be in your 30s and 40s. And almost 43% of India's population at that time will be your age group. Your people who will hold very important positions and authority, whether in the government, in the corporate sector, anywhere. Like you are the ones who want to take this nation forward. So you have a great responsibility, and just loving India by raising a flag is not good enough. It has to be from your heart. You have to feel the pride in the nation. You have to know that you are accountable and responsible for the growth of this country, for making us all feel proud. So, happy Independence Day and wish you all the best. Take care of this country, it's yours.
Freedom has not come for free. Yeah. We all have to continue with this spirit and continue to build the nation, continue to devote ourselves for the nation comes first. We all say that. And students have to be very genuine and sincere towards their studies, towards what they have been asked by the parents to learn, the values of the Indian system, the Indian traditions, Indian culture, and take it forward because that is the legacy we will take forward. And as we all know that India will be the superpower and you people will be taking forward this entire nation. So continue to be sincere towards yourself, your family, towards your duties and towards the nation.
Patriotism is very, very important, and whatever you are doing, keep doing it. Preserve our environment, do whatever you can to preserve our environment for the future of our generation. And most important, give at least some time of your day to help others, to help society, and do something good for others.
Today, I want to say we need independence from pollution. We want to get freedom from pollution. For that, we have to work towards it. We cannot get a change without being part of the change, as the students had said, rightly said. So I would want the children to be part of this change. That is why we are going to have good workshops and some activities where we learn how to bring about the change.
Independence we have got in 1947, but currently we are struggling with something called as pollution. India has now become the world's largest pollution producing country, sadly. So it is in our hands to reverse this situation. The situation is not gone out of hand. Through Ryan International and to 30 schools which are participating through the Zero Waste School initiative, I encourage the other schools as well to be a part of this initiative and have a cleaner, safer, and kinder environment for our younger generation and for us as well.
Today's celebration reminds us that freedom is not just a gift for our past years, but a responsibility for our future.
The enthusiasm and dedication displayed by our students reflect the same spirit that was shown by our freedom fighters.
We are deeply grateful to our esteemed guests who motivated and inspired us. On that note, this is Vaidya Suneshka
And this is Vaidya Avantika signing off on Young Journals on Ryan TV.